Good day, boys and girls. Today for English Language Arts, we're going to just be reading through a very short passage about the kitchen. Once you read this, and I'll read it to you. We'll read it out loud together, and once you read this, you're going to answer a couple of questions, and I'm going to show you exactly how to show me what your answer is in just a minute. So first, let's take a look. Right here, let's look at the title. The title is Kitchen. And the picture is of a kitchen, so we know that our topic is probably going to be about what? The kitchen. So let's look at the words. Follow along with me. The kitchen is where we spend a lot of our day. We prepare our food, eat our dinner, and talk with our family. This is where we wash the dishes and keep our milk in the fridge. The kitchen is a special place. So like I said, it's a very short passage, and we're going to answer about 5 questions on the text that we just read. And this is how we're going to answer. It's kind of neat. So if you go down here and scroll all the way to the bottom, follow my arrow, you see how that line kind of got really dark? Click on it and drag it all the way to the left. The rest of our instructions are there. This slide is a kind of a funny shape, so not everything shows in the slide. Here we go. Well, actually, there we go. Let's slide some more. Okay, now we can see everything. So the instructions say drag and drop any highlighter dot to select your answer. So here are your highlighter dots. We kind of just created them for you, right? We clicked on it. You see how the text box showed up in blue, and you see that familiar crosshair. We talked about it in several of our assignments. When you see that, you can click and you can start moving stuff around, okay? But we're not going to do that just yet. Let's look at our first question. The first question says, where do we cook our food? And you've got a picture of a kitchen, you've got a picture of a bathroom, and you've got a picture of a bedroom. Where do you think it is that we cook our food? So I know for sure we don't cook in the bedroom. That's kind of silly. That is where we sleep, okay? And we definitely don't cook in the bathroom. That's nasty. We take care of business in the bathroom. We cook in the kitchen. So the way you're going to show me that you've got the answers, you're going to pick any highlighter dot, click right here, wait for your little white cursor to show up, click it, and hold on to that click as you drag it all the way on top of the kitchen. See? And it's highlighted your answer. The next question, what can we do in the kitchen? Your choices are play, sleep, or cook. Do we play in the kitchen? No. Do we sleep in the kitchen? No. Do we cook in the kitchen? That sounds like a really good answer. So again, you're going to pick any color dot. It doesn't matter which. I just gave you guys some choices. Click on it, wait for the little cursor guy, and drag it. Boop. And then you can move on to the next question. So you're going to work your way through questions 3, 4, and 5. And when you're done, move on to the next slide, or just wait for tomorrow when we do our next lesson. Good luck, boys and girls. If you have any questions, give me a call, email me, or message me. You can get a hold of me. Your parents know how to get a hold of me if you need some help, okay? Good luck.